In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find ticket ID in Zendesk. This is a quick but essential skill. The ticket ID is the unique number that identifies a conversation or issue in your help desk. You'll use it to reference a case in messages, link to it for teammates, or plug it into reports and automations. The fastest way to find it doesn't involve searching menus or running reports. All you need is the ticket open in your browser. Start by opening the specific ticket you care about in Zendesk. Make sure you're looking at the ticket itself, not a user profile, a view, or a dashboard. Once the ticket page is on your screen, turn your attention to your browser's address bar at the top of the window. This is where the full page link, or URL, is displayed. In Zendesk, that URL includes the ticket's ID. Look for a pattern like yourcompany.zendesk.com/agent-tickets, followed by a series of numbers. Those numbers at the very end of the URL are the ticket ID. For example, if you see something like yourcompany.zendesk.com/agent-tickets, 34567, the ticket ID is 1234567. Focus on the last block of digits after the final slash. Sometimes you'll notice extra characters after the number, such as a question mark with parameters or a hash symbol with additional text. If that happens, ignore anything after the number. The core rule still applies. The last uninterrupted set of digits that directly follows the ticket segment is the ID you want. When you need to copy the ID, click in the address bar and carefully highlight just those digits. Drag your cursor from right to left until you reach the slash before the number, then release and copy. This helps avoid accidentally grabbing the rest of the URL. If you've selected more than you intended, no problem. Simply click again and reselect only the number. If the number looks longer than expected, that's fine. Ticket IDs can vary in length as your queue grows. What matters is that you're capturing only the digits and not any slashes or symbols. If you're sharing it with a teammate or pasting it into a note, a quick visual check that it's only numbers helps prevent mislinks. That's it. Open the ticket, look to the address bar, and read the final set of numbers in the URL. Once you get used to it, you can identify and copy a ticket ID in seconds, keeping your workflow fast and your references precise.